Hey guys, welcome back to King of Food Times Official. I'm Prasad Mehta. I hope that you are enjoying my videos and you have tried one of my recipes. Let me know in the comment section below that how it went for you. So guys, today I'm going to show you an amazing dessert which I have never made before, and this recipe is such that you will not find on internet anywhere. That's right, it's really easy and it's one of the most flavorful desserts I have come across. But before we begin, I have a message for all of you. We have started an initiative called Culinary Tales. If you are a very passionate cook, if you have that skill, if you have that fire in you and you want to showcase your culinary skills in front of the world, then we are giving this opportunity to you to come on our channel, showcase your culinary skills, showcase your favorite recipe and encase it to the world. So if you're interested, this is my email ID. It's also in the description box. You can email to us and we will get back to you. So today we are going to make this amazing cherry and tapioca pudding. This pudding has such amazing flavors, such beautiful flavors that your whole desert experience will change. So what are those ingredients? Let me show you. So to make this pudding, we need 50 grams of tapioca which were soaked in water for an hour, 250 grams of finely sliced cherry, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons lemongrass, 180 ml cow's milk. If you are a vegan, you can use almond or soya milk as well, and 400 milliliters of coconut milk. So we have 250 grams of finely sliced cherry in our pan, 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can also use honey and or sugar syrup as well, but I prefer using sugar. Now we will give a really nice stir for around 5 minutes until the cherry extracts its own juices. After 5 minutes, as you can see, the sugar has started to thicken up and our mixture is ready. We will transfer this into a bowl. Add coconut milk into the pan. So we have added coconut milk into the pan. The next step is to add regular milk. If you are a vegan, you can use almond milk, soya milk, any milk of your choice. So we will add 180 ml of milk into this. And then add our lemongrass. We will infuse coconut milk, the regular milk and lemongrass together. It will create a harmony of flavors. So let it simmer, let it infuse for 3 to 4 minutes or until the milk comes to boil, when you start to see bubbles. But before that, we will also add our remaining sugar and give it a nice stir. If you want, you can also cover your pan and let the milk simmer on medium-high heat for around 5 minutes. So our milk is boiled now. Now it's time to add our tapioca. We will let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. So this will soften up the tapioca, make it translucent. And after 3 minutes, we will discard our lemongrass and let it cook for another minute or two before transferring it to the bowl. You can see our tapioca is ready. They are translucent. We have discarded the lemongrass as well. It is infused and now it's time to transfer into the bowl. So now once it's transferred into the bowl, we will cover it up with foil, refrigerate for 4 hours. before consuming. So our cherry and tapioca pudding is ready. As you saw, it's so easy to make and so delicious. Trust me, make this pudding at your home for festivities, for celebration, or just make if you have a sweet tooth and you would like to enjoy a sweet dish. So this is something new. It's worth the effort and it won't consume your much time. So enjoy.